So today we're going to make this amazing pork jerky. And the reason I kind of came up with the pork jerky is just beef jerky's gotten so expensive, even with cheap cups of like Top Round and stuff like this. This is an awesome alternative, and truthfully it tastes just as good as any beef jerky. So what you're going to do is marinate this pork, and you're going to put it in apple juice, cider vinegar, soy sauce, brown sugar, honey, a little bit of smoke, and garlic. Stick this in the refrigerator, and you're going to let that marinate for at least 24 hours or overnight. Then you're going to take it out of the refrigerator, and you're going to let this drain and dry it off, and then you're going to add spice mixture. You can add any spice you did. I did sort of a hot one, and then this one here is a jerk seasoning. And make sure you coat both sides of the meat when you season it. And then after that, you're going to put this on a dehydrator and dehydrate it. Now, depending on how thick the meat is going to depend on how long it takes. So mine took about 6.5 hours, and it was a 1/4 inch thick. So hopefully you enjoy this. You save a little money. You can leave your comments and questions below, and don't forget to subscribe.